you just how easy it is to manage supplier assessments in MRP. Under frameworks such as NIST Cybersecurity, ISO 27001, and CPS 234, suppliers are defined as vendors, applications, cloud solutions. Any third party really that has access to your data or assets. The way that we manage third parties at Morrisec is twofold. It is either a third party you have a relationship with, such as a contract with SLAs, or it is something you have purchased like a software license or cloud solution. Today we're going to look at suppliers you would manage through a questionnaire. You can see that Mr. P provides a location to record all my suppliers. If I click the first one, I've already pre-filled the supplier with all relevant information, including a primary contact. I can then send them a copy of my third-party questionnaire or arrange a meeting with Lucas to go through the questionnaire in person. I'm going to click Reviews, and as you can see, I have Acme down as requiring a yearly review. This requirement may change depending on the supplier, how important they are to the business, if you have found any high risks previously that require additional attention, or their overall organization's risk appetite. In this example, I'm going to pretend that I'm on a Teams call with Lucas. So I'll go to New Supplier Review, fill in my details and today's date, and go to Questionnaires. Fun fact, MRP comes with an inbuilt supplier questionnaire, or if you prefer, you can upload your own questionnaire. In this instance, I'm going to go through the supplier questionnaire that comes with MRP. During an interview, I would go through the questionnaire with Lucas, recording my answers as I go along. The questions even expand depending on relevance. If you prefer to just send your contact the questionnaire, this is so easy to do. You just need to export the questionnaire to Excel, send the questionnaire to your respondent, and then when they return it to you, import the Excel spreadsheet straight back into MRP. At the end of my assessment, I can add any review notes here, and any findings that I have can go in here. I now have an auditable history of my assessment on the third party. I might even want to change the frequency of my review to every second year, as I was so impressed with the security of the company. Or I might want to change it to every 6 months, as the security was a little concerning and I had many findings that need to be addressed. If I go to Cybers Are Us, I can see the questionnaire has been completed and all the results recorded. However, the assessment is still in progress, as there is one high finding that we are still tracking. So simple.